Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss the topic Einstein derivation of Planck's law. Einstein gave a simplified statistical method for deriving Planck's law. Previously we obtained the Planck's formula rho omega t is equal to h cross omega cube divided by pi square c cube into 1 upon e raised to h cross omega by kt minus 1. Now we have to obtain this formula by considering Einstein's assumptions. He assumed that system of oscillators and radiators in equilibrium in an isothermal enclosure. Now let us consider two levels E1 and E2 having population N1 and N2 per unit volume. Basically there are three radiative processes between the level E1 and E2. The first one is induced absorption, second one is induced emission, and third one is spontaneous emission. Now what happens in induced absorption? An atoms in level E1 may absorb energy h cross omega 1 2 and jump to the level E2. The number of atoms undergoing this process will proportional to N1, and hence the number of such transition for induced absorption is equal to B12 N1 rho omega 12 per second per meter cube. Here rho omega 12 is external radiation density and B12 is probability of transition per unit time. Now second one is spontaneous emission. An atom in E2 may undergo spontaneous emission by emitting the radiation of energy h cross omega 21 h cross omega 21. Hence number of such transitions for spontaneous emission is equal to N2 A21, where A21 is probability of transition per unit time. In this case the radiations of all these types are random directions and in random phases and hence are incoherent. Also, in presence of external radiation, the atoms in the level E2 may undergo induced emission and fall back to level 1, that is E1. In this case the induced emission, the number of transition for induced emission is given by B21 N2 rho omega 21, where rho omega 21 is external radiation density and B21 is probability transition per unit time. In this case the radiation will have same direction and phase as the stimulating radiation and hence they are coherent. Hence we have obtained number of transition for induced absorption, spontaneous emission and induced emission. Now at thermodynamic equilibrium, that is at which the number of atoms entering and leaving energy level E2 is same, we can write N1 B12 rho omega 12 is equal to N2 A21 plus N2 B21 rho omega 21. These are transitions entering to level E2 and these are number of transition leaving energy E2. So we can write rho omega 21 is equal to N1 B12 minus N2 B21 is equal to N2 A21, because at equilibrium omega 21 is equal to omega 12. That's why we have taken out common rho omega 21 and rho omega 12. Now adjusting, we can write it as like rho omega 21 is equal to N2 A21 divided by N1 B12 minus N2 B21. Now just adjusting, divide by N2. When we divide by N2, this will be cancelled. Here it will be N1 upon N2 and here will be 1, and taking B21 constant, here it will be only remain 1 and here it will be B12 divided by B21. Now considering Boltzmann distribution, we have n1 upon n2 is equal to g1 e raised to minus e1 by kt divided by g2 e raised to minus e2 by kt. We can write it as g1 upon g2 is equal to e2 minus e1 divided by kt, but e2 minus e1 is h cross omega 2 1, so we can write it as n1 upon n2 is equal to g1 g2 into e raised to h cross omega 2 1 by kt, where g1 and g2 are degeneracies of level e1 and e2 respectively. Now putting the value of n1 n2 in this equation, then equation number 2 becomes rho omega 2 1 is equal to a21 upon b21, this a21 upon b21 and divided by g1 upon g2 into b1 2 upon b21 as it is into e raised to h cross omega by kt minus 1. This is equation number 4. But we know Planck's law, which is rho omega 2 1 is equal to h cross omega 2 1 cube upon pi square c cube into 1 upon e raised to h cross omega by kt minus 1. Equation 4 and equation 4 are identical if and only if g1 upon g2 into b12 upon b21 is equal to 1, that is g1 b12 is equal to g2 b21, and one more condition is that a21 upon b21 is equal to h cross omega 2 1 cube divided by pi square c cube, that is a21 is equal to h cross omega 2 1 cube divided by pi square c cube into bt1. Equation 7 and 6 connects coefficients a21 b21 and b12, which are known as Einstein's coefficients. A21 is known as Einstein coefficient for spontaneous emission, B21 is known as Einstein coefficient for induced emission, B12 is known as Einstein coefficient for induced absorption. These coefficients are intrinsic atomic properties. Thank you.